Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this short video I will show you how to freeze columns and rows. Suppose you have a large set of data spreading beyond your screen size. You scroll down and the first row of your table with the column titles will disappear. The same will happen to your row titles if you scroll to the right. Let us say you want to make the first two rows and the first two columns permanent. Select the first cell not included in the always visible area, which is D4. Go to View in the toolbar and click on Freeze Rows and Columns. After that, scroll left and right and up and down to see the result. To remove the freeze, simply go to View and click on Freeze Rows and Columns again. And this is the result. That was my video about making rows and columns permanent. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you liked it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.